Mucemanio uria ukurehete hamwe atongoria ikiro ngurani hamwe na kanju ya athuri ya Kiama Kia Ma kaunti ya Kiambu niguo bata wa thayo ukinyanirio. Magitongorio ni mutongoria wa aria anini mbunge-ini ya Senate James Orengo, Uhuru Odinga, muhuraniri wa giturwa kia gavana kaunti ya Nairobi Agnes Kagure na urugamiri wa Kiama Kia Ma nimakumithitie na njira nene atongoria aria makoretwo makirekereria miario itagiriire kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta makiuga kuu ni kumuma gitio kiria kimwagiriire kuria moritie ateti gukorwo magithema miario ingirehe ngui mari campaign ciao.
Ingilia hii siasa sasa kushutumu rais Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Amolo Odinga wanashutumu. Mimi nataka tujitokeze pia kwa hali na mali, tuone hii upuzi ikomeshwe.
The Luos and the Kikuyus are not coming together to conspire against anybody. We are not coming together to conspire against any Kenyan. We are coming together so that Kenyans can unite and become one.
Mataririe urumwe kwa ihinda riri niguo uri na bata makiuga mubango wa azimio la umoja niguo uri na muoroto mwega wa kuiguithania Kenya.
We have seen Raila Amolo Odinga achieve good numbers in votes. His support in Central Kenya is increasing. At the end of the day, we are sure that he is going to get the highest number of votes, more than any other candidate.
Haiwezi kuwa kila siku ni mambo ya Uhuru na Raila, na hata kama ni mambo ya Uhuru na Raila, ile lugha ambao wanatumia ni lugha ambapo hatuwezi kubali.
Ihinda-ini riu Agnes Kagure akiuga Mount Kenya ni handite wega gukanyita mbaru Raila Amolo Odinga ta mutongoria wa bururi githurano-ini giukite.
Mount Kenya, we are solid and the foundation has been very firm. And we are sure that he is the next incoming president.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.